Hello and welcome back to day 17 of Christmas Planning Made Easy. Today we're going to be double checking the Christmas present list. So I ended up sticking with my trusty spreadsheet on Excel spreadsheet for my present list. I just duplicated last year's one and took off the people that I'm not going to buy for or who we've done the sort of white elephant for, and hello. I found it much easier, even though I'm not buying as many presents, I still find there's a few people who I need to make sure that I know what other people are buying them as well as what myself and my husband are buying for them. I just find the way my brain works is a lot easier to have it all just written down in front of me like that in the columns, and I have a little colour coding for things that I've ordered, things that are ready to be wrapped and things that are already wrapped, so I can see really easily what still needs to be done and what's actually been completed. I did simplify the number of people I was buying for this year, and we ended up doing a white elephant for our extended family, so we just buy one present each from myself and my husband for all of the adults, any adults who end up being there and that we see when we visit them over Christmas. I also added on a couple of gifts at the last minute that I suddenly realised that my son is in the Scouts, so I definitely wanted to make sure that the Scout leaders had some recognition for the work that they do. And but apart from that, I'm getting on okay with my list. I still have a couple of major things to buy, but I feel like I am definitely getting there. I need to get one of my boys to finish off his wish list so that I've got a better idea for him, because we're kind of getting quite close to the time, and yeah, he might end up getting money at this rate, but I think I've got a good handle. I've either bought or I know what I'm getting for most people, and I've actually wrapped a couple of presents, which I'm quite pleased about. So I'm definitely not the kind of person, as you can probably imagine, who would have all their presents bought and wrapped 10 days before Christmas. That's just not going to happen. But I am trying to be the sort of person that gets it done just in time, the right way around, so that when we do have somewhere to go, the cards written, the presents wrapped, and I can give them to people at the time, to save sort of chasing around trying to do it after the fact. So that's been quite helpful. Pleased with myself, tick on the list, a couple of presents wrapped, a couple of cards written. It's all about just getting little bits done here and there as you can, and if you get a big chunk of time and you want to wrap all your presents and get all your cards written, then that's brilliant. But I think it's also quite handy if you've got a few minutes here or there to just get a little bit ticked off the list as well and just chip away at it a little bit at a time. So I wonder how you're getting on with yours. Do you need to go into shops anymore? Do you need to get any more online gifts sorted? Or maybe you've gone present free, maybe you don't have any to do, or you've already got it all sorted already. And if you've got all your presents organised, maybe it's time to start wrapping if you haven't done that already. If you've still got presents to buy, if you're feeling unmotivated or finding it all a bit overwhelming, then maybe it would be an idea to get the timer out and just try setting that for, say, 15 minutes and see what you can chip off the list, and see if we can get our motivation and get that list finished off, and maybe even start to get some wrapping done. So good luck with this one, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Hopefully by now you've got your present list. So I don't know about you, but I decided to keep my list on the... We did simplify the number of people we were buying for this year and ended up doing a white elephant for... Layla, hello. So my brother's family and all the nephews, and my son's in the Scouts, so we've took off the people that I'm not going to buy for or who we've done the sort of white elephant for, and hello.